Hello, my name is Max Minkov, and I'm the president of Computer Services Unlimited, Inc. I wanted to make this video to talk about the importance of having a proper disaster recovery and backup solution in place to protect your business from critical system crashes. What we see in the field is that most companies do have some sort of a backup in place. A lot of times it's an external drive where their data is being backed up, or data is being backed up to the cloud. Sometimes it's a combination of both the external drive and the cloud backup. However, again, what we see out there is most of the time it's just a basic file level based backup. What that means is the only thing that's being backed up are files. Your environment, your applications, your whole system that you're running on is not being backed up at all, and there's no way to recover from a critical crash. So as an example, let's say you have a law firm that has a single server that's running Active Directory, and there are 20 users, 20 computers that are connecting to that server. They're connecting to the server for email, they're connecting to the server for shared drives, they're connecting to that server to get access to QuickBooks and other applications. If that server goes down from, let's say, when your RAID controller burns out or your motherboard goes out, that server goes down, that whole office stops work. There's no access to the server, can't do anything. The fact that you have a file-based backup in place in the cloud will not help you at all, because in order to fix that server and bring it back up, first of all, it has to be diagnosed. You need to order the parts, which sometimes could take days or weeks. And even if you do get those parts, once you get the server to physically work, you then have to completely reinstall the environment and get the environment back up, which can again take days. All of that will cost you an incredible amount of money just by paying the tech support people to fix that all. And also you're losing all the productivity and you're basically out of business. There's no reason to be in this situation as a business owner. One of our partners is a company called Data. You might have heard of them. They're a leader in the industry right now when it comes to image level based backups. Their backup service, the way it works, imagine the same scenario that I just described, but I would be able to get your office backup in 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes and you're up and running. So the way that works is Data sells you a device. It basically acts as a device that stores your backups locally, and it will also act as a redundant server in place of another server that failed. It also backs up the images that it takes on a daily basis to the cloud. So again, in the same given scenario that I described, your server goes down, we get into the control panel of Data service, we spin up a virtual environment where everything is exactly the same way as it was on your regular server. And now you're connecting, instead of to the server that just failed, to this Data backup drive, and your business is up and running. You don't even know that anything happened. Meanwhile, your technicians could take their time and find the parts to replace the server, or in the server that failed, or even replace the whole server if it needs to be replaced, and then bring everything right back from the Data drive right to that main server that failed, and everything is back in business. There's no downtime, there's no issues. This is critical, again, to making sure that you're operating at maximum uptime. If you're one of those businesses that can't afford to be down at all, this is a solution that I recommend you take a good hard look at. Again, we're a partner of Data. We would be happy to come out and take a look at your environment, take a look to see what you're doing with your backups, whether you have the right solution in place or not. Again, all of this is free of charge. Give us a call. Our phone number is down below, our website as well. Again, my name is Max Minkov, and thank you very much.